How could this have happened, Lord? How could the prophecy have been so wrong? You spoke to me. From the moment Rex and the vessel lay together, you spoke. You told me that a child was waiting. The child that would redeem me and lead my flock to salvation. I did everything you asked of me. I sacrificed human life. I was willing to die myself, and willingly, Lord, to ensure the safe birth of the chosen one. And now there is no chosen one. And all because of this whore of Babylon.
I'm not sure I want to get into all that right now. Oliver, you there? Kyle, hello? Oliver!
Okay, show me the baby. In other words, show me the baby. Where's the little rugrat? And where's the proud papa?
Everything okay with you and Kyle?
Yeah, fine.
What was the call about?
Hey! Hello? Anybody? Hello? Anybody?
Oh, come on. I just had you. Skylar! Oh, thank God. I was just...
Well, Todd, thank you for telling me about Mitch.
I should have told you sooner.
Well, you can't blame yourself.
Oh, why not add it to the list?
Look, we knew that Mitch was after Jessica. That's why we did everything we could to keep her safe. My God, we hired an armed guard.
What, a Lowell Stooges?
No, a friend of Brody's. Mitch was still able to get somebody to drug the guard. They took Jessica right out of the house. So telling me earlier wouldn't have made much difference.
Yeah, but I owed you, and I owed Jessica.
What do you mean?
Well, last year when Jessica became Tess again, I didn't say anything because if I blew the whistle on her, Tess was going to tell the cops that I had Marty. So instead of Jessica getting the help she needed, she lost her baby because I kept my mouth shut.
Yeah, well, that's hardly the only reason that the baby died.
I let her down and I let you down. And what if I don't get a chance to make it up to her, or you?
And you've searched the entire area? All right. Yeah, well, you keep me posted, all right? Yeah. Kim?
Yeah?
What's the matter?
It's my best friend.
What's wrong with Stacy?
She's gone, Clint. Mitch Lawrence took her.
Kyle just thinks the situation's gone too far.
Oh, you mean with Mitch?
Not just with Mitch, but with the Stacy and the baby and...
Whoa. What the hell?
It looks like an accident. Pull over.
My God, it's freezing out there. Are you okay?
Hardly.
Well, her toes got frostbite.
Oh, ow! Well, what are you guys doing out there?
No. I have a lead on Mitch Lawrence, and Charlie offered to help so that he could find Jessica.
You tried to pass your bastard off as Rex's son, as my progeny.
No, it had nothing to do with you.
I knew you were unworthy to be the vessel for the chosen one, but even I underestimated the depths of your evil. And now, you will pay.
What are you doing?
Why would he take Stacy?
Thinks her baby's the second coming or something.
Yes, his heir.
You know?
Well, I heard something about it, but I was so worried about Jessica that I never followed up on it. I'm sorry, Kim.
Well, maybe it's not completely bad. At least Stacy and Jessica are together. They can help each other.
The righteous shall rejoice when he seeth the vengeance, and he shall wash his feet in the blood of the wicked.
Lexi never would have been kidnapped by that monster if it wasn't for me.
You can't blame yourself for anything that Lawrence
Supposed to be
does.
watching her, Clint. But I left her alone. I was supposed to be protecting her. I left her.
I absolutely cannot allow myself to think the worst, you know. I have to keep telling myself that everything's going to be all right. Jessica will come home. She'll be fine. You know, I have to have hope. I have to. She would want that.
I sure do love her. Always have. I don't know, I guess I've been thinking about Danny a lot. And Danny reminds me of Jess. You know, they're both smart and obstinate. They don't listen to me at all. Danny's still not speaking to me, of course. It would be nice for them to meet, wouldn't it?
Gigi, is that phone working?
Oh, no, I've been trying them. What's wrong?
We crashed into a car down there. It went flying into the ravine. We couldn't even get to it.
Where?
Well, it's just about a mile down the mountain by the crossroads.
Did you see what the car looks like?
It all happened very fast.
We didn't even get a look at it.
Oh, my God. Skylar.
There's nobody in here. What about that one?
It's empty. Did you find anything?
Yeah. This car is registered to Dorian Lord.
What is she doing here?
She must have taken off on foot. What about this one?
I don't know.
Who's that? Skylar Joplin. I just ran into him at the hospital. He said he was on his way to Vicky's cabin to meet Gigi. Yeah, well, that's blood. Looks like he's hurt pretty bad.
So, where's the new daddy?
Rex isn't here, neither is Stacy.
What do you mean? What, are they taking a stroll? Where'd they go?
Actually, maybe we should go in here and talk.
Wait a minute. What's going on? What's going on? Did something happen to the baby?
No. The baby's okay. It's Mitch Lawrence. He kidnapped Stacy.
No.
Roxy, it's okay. Listen to me. Listen to me, okay? Rex and Oliver have a lead. They're going after Stacy right now.
Where did Mitch take Stacy? Where, Kyle? Where?
Lantano Mountain.
Lantano Mountain in the middle of a blizzard? Wait, she's in labor.
No, she's not in labor.
Yes, she is in labor, because that's what Rex said.
It was a false alarm. Not that makes it any better.
You really don't understand, do you?
About what?
About me and Mitch Lawrence.
Yeah, he's Rex's dad. I get that.
Remember when you were asking me how I could hook up with a creep like that and let him knock me up with Rexy? Well, now I'm gonna tell you.
Roxy, it's okay? That doesn't matter.
No, it does matter. Because the baby could die because of Mitch. And because Rexy could. And your sweetie, he could be a goner. And it is all my fault.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about what really happened between me and Mitch Lawrence.
This is what happens to blasphemers. How dare you pretend to be carrying the chosen one?
Father. Stop.